Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing another fall DIY. I'm going to be using naturally my Cricut and some vinyl, and I have a glass block that I picked up at Walmart. It was either $5 to $6. It might have been $7, but I think it was $6. And then I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree leaves and some lights from the Dollar Tree. So I have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, and I'm going to the new project here, circle with the plus. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to the left hand corner, images, and then all you have to do is go to the right top corner in the search box and type in fall. Okay, and they have so many beautiful images, like I've said, but this time I wanted a saying, and they have a lot of really nice ones. I mean, it's so hard to pick because they do just have great ones. Or my favorite color is autumn. I love fall most of all. I mean, there's so many beautiful sayings that you could pick, but I want apples, hayrides, and fall. So I'm going to click on that. That'll put that green box around it. You do have to be an Access member to get this one because it has the little A. Now I'm going to the right bottom corner. This would be beautiful. 25-cent pumpkin farm. Oh, okay. Insert images. Okay, and this, if you look at the right hand corner, the layers panel, you'll see this is a cut, which is what I want. And I've already measured mine, and I want mine to be, let me see, I might just pull it out. Now I'm just going to go up here and unlock it. Let me zoom in. It never really helps you up to the top, but it has up here at size, you can unlock it, and I'm going to take it to 6 by 6. For the width, I want it 6, and for the height, I want it 6. And then I'm going to lock it back, okay? And that's what I want. Now we're going to go to Make It, right top corner, click on that. Okay, now you don't want to mirror this, okay? And it's going to use one mat. We're going to go Continue. Now my computer is connecting to my Explore Air 2. Okay, I have my dial. I need to switch it from custom, and I have to put mine on cardstock because I'm using that Arteza vinyl again. Okay, and then the next time you see me, I'll be loading my mat and we will cut this beautiful project out. Okay, now this is the glass block I was telling you about, and I just filled it with Dollar Tree leaves and some lights. I need to work on my lights a little better. It's a little hard to see them. And I'm going to be using this Arteza vinyl again. It's the 42 sheet premium self-adhesive vinyl, okay? And like I've said, I really do like it because of the vibrant colors, but I don't like that I have to set it on cardstock, okay? Now, I'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested. You definitely do not have to use the Arteza vinyl. I think I still have a coupon code available for it. You'll just have to see. I think I have one until the 18th, but I could be wrong. And I've decided that I'm going to use this really pretty chocolate brown. I think it will be so pretty. So all I'm going to do is just put this right on this mat. I think my mat really is not very sticky. I think it will work. Then I'm just going to load it by pressing this blinking arrow. And then hit the C to cut. This is going to be such an easy project, but so pretty. I made one of these, I think it was like 2 years ago, with some vinyl that I picked up at AC Moore. It was already pre-cut. It was like a transfer sheet. So I'm happy now that I can make my own with the Cricut. I really am enjoying having this Cricut. You can do so much with it. Okay, and it's almost through cutting. We're at 93%. You could put anything on these blocks that you wanted. You could fill them, if you didn't want to fill them with the leaves, you could put acorns from the Dollar Tree. You could put this shred, which is what I put in my other one. I was going to put it in this one, but I didn't have enough. You could put a lot of different things inside this. You could even just fill it with lights. Okay, and I think we're finishing up right now because it says it's at 100%. I think this is going to be so fun. Okay, we're finished. I'm going to eject it. All right, then I'm just going to get this, and we're going to weed it by pulling away what we don't want. And I really do need to cut this. Okay, now we won't waste our vinyl. We'll pull this away. And then we'll just weed out the center. And sometimes I just stick these on my fingers and then try to get rid of all of them, the little leftovers. I think it makes it easier to do that, to be honest. And we're almost through finished weeding it. And you will need some transfer tape, which I need to get. I forgot to get it. I'm beginning to think you could maybe use less than regular cardstock. Maybe you could cut it on light cardstock, because sometimes when I cut it, it goes way through. And then sometimes if I don't use the cardstock setting, it won't cut. That's my only fault with this. Okay, I have my Cricut transfer tape, and you all always give me such good ideas. One of you said that if you stick this on the table and remove it, it will make it a little less sticky. So I like that idea. Okay, now I'm going to put this right on here. And then I've also heard that you can use, I think it was contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I believe that's what it was. And I really do like how easy this adheres to the transfer tape. Okay, then we're just going to get this, and I'm going to put this right down through here. Then I'm going to get my little scraper and just adhere this to this block. This is such an easy little DIY, but it's going to be so pretty, and it's so custom. These would be wonderful gifts for either Christmas or fall or just any time. Even you could do it for a dorm. You could, you know, put something on there for the person in the dorm and fill it with whatever, and it just would be such a sweet reminder. There's so many things you can do. Okay, let's see if it's adhered. And it looks like it has. Making sure I was filming. I just love this. And like I said, you can reuse your transfer tape. And if you see a spot that hasn't adhered good, just go ahead and rub over it, because I really didn't rub this much. And just pull at that angle. But I really love how this turned out. It is just so pretty. And by the time I get finished working with my lights, it's really going to pop. It's a little easier to see it like this. These lights are just totally making it hard to see the glow from within. So, and if you would see this out, you would pay a lot of money for this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.
Hey guys, I went ahead and put a really pretty funky bow on top, and I put some warmer lights in there. I changed out the Dollar Tree lights to some fall lights, and I really do love how it turned out. So I just wanted to hop on and show you, and if you wanted, you could make your writing a brighter vinyl. But I really love this, gives the look that I was going for, that warm fall look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.